Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the FritzenLab YouTube channel in one more video for you. Today we're going to talk about this little sensor in here, which is the APDS-9900. APDS-9900. It's a sensor used in cell phones for detecting light level for brightness and also presence when you approximate your cell phone to your ear or to your face. For the screen to go off, for example. This is the sensor used for it, APDS-9900. I'm going to be using a ESP32C6 as a controller, sending information through USB for the Arduino IDE. So the sensor is connected via I2C to the controller, to the ESP32C6, and there's also a LED indicating presence detection. So let me show you the code and what's happening here. So when you read ambience, 12,600, 12,500 in there, this is the light level. This value excursionates between 0 and 65,535. So if I cover the sensor with my hand like this, let me show you. Look for the ambience. 13,000, 12,000. I'm covering the sensor now. It goes down to 2,200 or something like that. This is the light level sensor. The proximity sensor, in the other hand, I want you to look at the wire read data word. Wire read data word. This is 51,000, 50,000 right now. There's no hand, there's nothing in front of the sensor right now, as it is. Okay. There's nothing in front of the sensor. The value is 34, 43, 46, and this is the problem. This library does not work properly for presence detection. If I approximate my hand to the sensor, you're going to see 27,500, 62,000, 62,000, 63,000, 59, 58, 59. I remove my hand, goes to 34, 28. I put my hand again, goes to 50,000, 4,500, 45,000. So the value excursionates a lot. I came up with a solution, which is this part of the code in line 106, that detects jumps of the value in the 5,000, in the house of 5,000 units. So if it jumps 5,000 units up or 5,000 units down, I made a detection. I put the LED D10 on D10 to high. So I'm going to show you what's happening here. I want you to look at the LED. The LED right now is not blinking, right? The LED is stopped. If I approximate my hand, the LED starts blinking, right? It's blinking. If I remove my hand, it's not blinking anymore. See? It blinked one time because my camera is close to the sensor, but it's not blinking anymore. If I approximate my hand, it blinks again. So this is the best I could do for presence detection, right? A LED detecting whether I approximate my hand to the sensor or not. So if I approximate my hand, the LED blinks. The LED blinking is not the behavior I expect. It is blinking because it's detecting my hand multiple times. I don't think this is the right thing to do, right? Now it's not blinking because it's not detecting anything. So guys, if you want to code for this montage, for this assemble, go to fritzenlab.net or fritzenlab.com.br. Again, fritzenlab.net or fritzenlab.com.br. There you're gonna find code and also schematic diagrams and explanations as well, or in the video description in here. Okay, see you guys next time.